Hello and welcome to a video on the checkbox field. The checkbox field helps you collect yes or no decisions. To include them in your form, just drag and drop the checkbox field on your form. Check the default option to mark the field as checked on the app. You can add as many as you like, rename the field and change the display functionalities such as color, size and icon. If you would like to display two checkboxes on the same line, check the box remain on the same line while displaying on the mobile. Save your form to make it available on the app. Let's take a look on the app. As we had marked the default value as checked, it appears to be checked on the app. Tap the tiny slider to check the option. You can also view two fields on a single line as shown. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.